Make a great choice today with
The 2022 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, trip computer, clock, compass, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear-view mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.